guys, it's Adam here with another tech review. You guys know I'm not Adam. I'm Adam's brother, Matt, and he's great at robot vacuums, but when it comes to radar detectors, I am the king. So I bought this new radar detector and I thought to throw it on his channel because it's all related to tech. And you guys can comment on this detector, ask questions. If you want some more videos after this is over, like some testing and maybe some there's a lot of officers here in Missouri. We can show some live footage of this radar detector and see how great it really is. So this is the UNIDEN R8. And as you can see, it's a pretty cool looking detector. I have not opened this up. I have actually never owned a UNIDEN product. This is their newest detector. It's been really hard to find. They're starting to become widely available right now. So hopefully some of the few bugs that I know that they've had, hopefully they are gone. But we're gonna open this bad boy up. And if you guys comment if you want to see more, if you like this kind of video, we would get Adam involved in it a little bit also. He can do some of the editing, of course, because I don't have that all here. But let me set this camera up overhead here and open this box up. Yeah, like I said, guys, I don't know a lot about UNIDEN, but the R7, if you look at some videos on YouTube and go to some of the radar detector forums, the R7 has some extreme range. Now, all detectors, none of them are perfect. They all have their quirks. They all have different things that they're outstanding in, and other things not so much. So I've heard this one's pretty well rounded. If you guys do a little research before buying this, you'll see some of the things that they say on it. But like I said, I'm new to UNIDEN, so when I open this up, it's the first time I've ever had a UNIDEN. I'm not used to the beeping, how the range is, none of that. But I know it's supposed to be amazing. So I hope to be keeping this one, which is $700, by the way. This is $699.99. So like I said, this is $699. You might be able to find it on sale a little bit cheaper if you really look or have some patience. But let's see what we got here. UNIDEN R8 long range radar. So it comes in this nice carrying case, pretty good presentation. And let's see what we got. UNIDEN. Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot already. So it's got this little case almost like for binoculars. So if you're one to take down your radar detector every time you park, it just slides into here so nobody will steal it. All right, let's get back to this in a minute. I don't even know why I did that first, but let's see. So this is the bad boy suction cup. So it's not magnetic. I thought it was magnetic. So on the Escort Max, it's magnetic mount. It just connects right in, and it's a great mount on the Escorts. I haven't heard anything negative about this one, but yeah, the magnetic mounts are great. And if this is magnetic, I will update you on that. But this is the one I'm going to use, called a sticky cup. This stays real sticky. When it gets dirty, if it does fall off your windshield due to heat, you can wash this off, dry it, and it's good to go. So this is the cord. This is the boring stuff, guys, but it's just a quick unboxing. So their cord is, okay, so it's got a lot of the coil there so it can be stretched. So that is longer than Escorts. And it does have the USB slot, so you can plug in a camera or anything else that you have in your car, and the mute button. And then I believe this is gonna be for an accessory that they have coming, either laser jammer or some kind of little control pad where you can set that. There's settings galore on this thing. More settings than most users will ever need. This will be to update the firmware, since there is no Wi-Fi. It is Bluetooth, but no Wi-Fi. And this is the original cup. So you guys that are into radar detectors know of the standard 2 suction cup. A lot of times this falls off your windshield. I'm not gonna use this. So cool. me see my impressions. That's a cool little case. It's the weight of it is. The old Escort is, I mean, it's humongous, but it's heavier by quite a bit. That doesn't make it better, but okay. So let's see the build quality of this. Okay, the buttons, they feel okay. They're not the greatest buttons. The ones on the front, much better. So you can mark a location. So if the radar detector is beeping at a Walmart store, you can hit mark, and then that will lock out that signal from detecting next time you go to Walmart. It's going to black it out on the screen. It'll still show it on the screen, but the detector will not alert you. So yeah, it's not the, it's plasticky compared to some of other ones that I've had, but once it's up in your window and you're used to it, you are not gonna know about it being plasticky. So yeah, so that's it, guys. It's got a nice size screen on there. It's got a front antenna. I'm sorry, rear antenna, front antenna, and that's what gives you the arrows. So this detector does have arrows that show you where the police are when they're ready to create revenue for the state. So yeah, guys, this is it. Not a bad looking detector. If you guys want more information on this, just leave a comment and Adam will let me know, and maybe we can do something together. Maybe we can ride somewhere and find a speed trap and see how this thing works and get some real videos out there, and Adam can do the guy doing the videoing. So, but thank you guys. This was just a quick unboxing, and everybody, you guys have a great night.